Hey everyone, can you see this quiz, or even we can create more with different templates? So would you like to learn how to do it? Let's learn how to do it. Okay, so what we are going to do, I'm just going to delete all these templates. So here I have selected one Instagram story size template. You can see this blank, or let's go to back side, and then from there from home page we will be selecting Instagram story, a blank template. You can see it right here. So I went to home, then you can see I went to social media, Instagram story, and from Instagram story you can see this top side search bar. I have written quiz. Okay, so after writing quiz, we can see a lot of templates are there. Even this pink one I'm liking, the like elements and everything, but obviously we will be changing the color and all. But let's not go with that one. Let's look for any other templates. Okay, so the one that was there when I started this video, you can see this purple one, just that I changed the color. But for you, I would like to go for maybe this one, so that we can learn some maybe complicated things or different kind of elements, and you can also explore something new. Okay, so here you can see this. So we are not at all going to use this kind, like say all these with this weird background, or these kind of things. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it more decent, more professional, or something that even if you are posting it from any company page, so you can do it without any issue. Okay, so firstly I am just going to set white background. So here you can see this. For all, we are going to set our white background, because I like white color when it comes to designing creative. So it's like when we have white background, so whatever things, or say whatever elements we are putting in, so it will give it a very good look, or say catchy look. That's why I choose white background. So you can see it right here. I'm just going to design one. So here either you use this, okay, either you use this, or we can do one thing. I'm just going to delete this. You can go to element. Here you can write quiz time. From quiz time you can see a lot of elements are there. Whichever element you are liking, you can just maybe put the size of it, right size that you find will be fitting like in the right manner. You can just put it right here, and then you can use it. Okay, let's use this one. I'm liking this. Okay, so even now coming back to this, if you want this say this loudspeaker thing to this side, just go downside. You can see flip it horizontally. You can see it, but still, yeah, these words will be flipping, so avoid this. Okay, this is it. So we are not at all going to make any change. Or what else we can do, we are just going to delete it. We are going to look for magic recommendation based on that one that we already selected. So you can see this, it is in mid of it. Okay, so here we are going to change this red color, like from yellow to this red color, because my, like, I run a digital market agency named Skill Up Marketing Solutions, and we have red logo in it, red, black, or say white. So we use all these three colors in our brand palette. So normally I use red color. Okay, so it's up to you what color are you going to use. So it will be completely up to you, your choices, or your like favorite colors kind of thing. Just that avoid purple or all these gaudy color that will not look good, or that will say make your photo dull, or it will like not good. Just don't go with these kind of colors. Now coming back to this part, here what we can do is, what else we can do is, okay, firstly see here, we are going to put it here. I'm just going to make it more attractive. Okay, put it here, go back here, transparency, decrease it a bit, go back here, do it like this. Or even we can delete this, we can go for maybe any other, we can go for maybe this one, or this one. Okay, not this one. We can go for, just wait, we can go for this one. Okay, just deleting this one. We can go for this one with decreasing the transparency. Okay, here, now here is a catch, that is, so whatever things are written here, we need not to take care of the designing part of this thing, because we are going to post it on Instagram story. So when we will be writing, like posting it, this kind of post with this question here, and without using poll or quiz feature of Instagram, we are not at all going to make it like vote on Instagram. So in order to do this, just download it like this. Make sure that you have a question in your mind. Okay, JPG, just one page, current page. Make sure that you have a question in your mind. I will just write one random question. It can be anything. Maybe I'm just going to write a question. Sorry. Okay, here I'm going to quiz. Where is quiz? Okay, Paul is here. So okay, I'm just, so you can write anything, then this, you can add options, you can do this, and then done. Then what you need to do, you need to cover it like this, or do one thing before getting into it. I think we have chosen a wrong template, is it? Yes, we have chosen wrong template. I think it couldn't be downloaded because of some network issue. Okay, so once downloaded, what we are going to do, we are going to discard it, and then we are going to we are going to post this. Okay, from here you can add poll, then you can add question, then this, then just you can do anything, like write question, type questions based on your, then do this, and then from here you can just need to adjust your size, or maybe here on Canva you can delete this question, like you can go back here. Okay, because this is of no use, so you can delete everything, all these things you can just delete and keep it blank. Here you can stick your question on Instagram and you're good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So you can see this, so you can download this, and from there you can set it like your question quiz. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this is like day 2 of 25 days of challenge, Canva challenge, that I started a few days back. I think it's been 8 to 10 days. So I know that I'm not able to make videos on a continuous basis, but I'll try to get back to this sync. Okay, so yeah, just please bear up with me. Yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.